These two drinks are an excellent, healthy alternative to soda. Refreshing, gut friendly, and truly good for your overall health. Come and taste it. Someone is finishing my drink. Hey, really? We start by cutting our pineapple. Pineapples are very healthy and the peels are just as powerful. So never throw them away. In this drink, we are going to use both the pineapple peels and some pineapple flesh. Pineapple flesh is rich in vitamin C, which supports immunity, skin health, and contains an enzyme that helps with digestion, reduces inflammation as well. Pineapple peels are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which supports gut health, help cleanse the body, and boost metabolism. After cutting, we put the pineapple peels and the pineapple flesh into a saucepan.
I'm a woman on a mission with a heart that beats for more. Pursuing wellness, body and soul, that's what I'm looking for. In the pages of my diary, I pour out my heart's desire to live a life that's authentic with Jesus as my highest fire. Join me on my journey as we explore life beyond, where faith and wellness meet and love is the guiding tone. We'll dance in the sunshine.
In our saucepan, we are going to add water and place it on fire to boil.
With every step, with every breath, our hearts will be
As we wait for it to boil, let's prepare our ginger. The ginger is already washed, so we peel it very well. Ginger is excellent for digestion, helps reduce bloating and nausea, boosts immunity, and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. We also have our tea leaves ready. Green tea is the best option if you have it, because it is rich in antioxidants, supports weight management, improves brain function, and is great for heart health. Next, we are pounding our ginger and we shall add it into the boiling mixture. This allows all the nutrients and flavor from the ginger to infuse into the drink. Now, let's prepare our hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus is known for helping lower blood pressure, supporting liver health, improving digestion, and giving the drink a beautiful natural color. We check our boiling pineapple mixture. Once it's ready, we remove the pineapple peels and the flesh and put them into a blender. We do this because we don't want to lose any juice or nutrients, We blend it well, then strain it.
In the beauty of nature, I find my peace of mind. With every breath, I'm reminded of the love that's always on my mind. Join me on my journey as we explore life beyond, where faith and wellness meet and love is the guiding tone. We'll dance in the sunshine.
So we are gonna add the strained liquid back into the saucepan. Now, we are going to put the hibiscus in a different saucepan and add part of the drink to it. So we can make 2 different drinks. One of pineapple, ginger, tea leaves, and one that has hibiscus drink. Let's boil them well. We strain the first drink carefully.
With every step, with every breath, our hearts will be transformed. Ooh, life's a journey, not a destination.
And then pour it in our first bottle.
Let's enjoy the ride. With Jesus as our co-pilot, we'll navigate with pride. We'll rise above the noise and shine like stars.
And then our second drink, which is pineapple hibiscus drink. We strain it as well. And then we add it into our next bottle.
With love and wellness guiding us, we'll never say goodbye. Join me on my journey as we explore life beyond, where faith and wellness meet and love is the guiding tone. We'll dance in the sunshine and weather every storm. With every step, with every breath, our hearts will be transformed. So come along, won't you join me on this journey of a lifetime? Let's explore the depths of love and the beauty that's divine. With every step, with every breath, our hearts will beat as one. In the rhythm of love, we'll find our way beyond the sun.
There we go. Both healthy drinks are ready. These drinks are natural, refreshing, gut-friendly, and a powerful health alternative to soda. As you can see, it's red in color. This is a mixture of beetroot. No, this is a mixture of hibiscus, pineapples. I don't know how to call this drink. I'm gonna call this drink daily detox sip. Yeah. Daily detox sip. Sounds good, right? And this is best taken early in the morning before you take anything, or in the evening before you go to bed, to get the best out of it. Come and taste it. Someone is finishing my drink. Hey! Really? How does it taste?
Nice.
So my second drink is this. This one has ginger and pineapple, including the pineapple peel. This is better than soda, by the way. It tastes like Stony. You know Stony?
Yes.
You know Stony soda?
Sorry.
Check the color. This one right here, I'm gonna call it Golden Pine Cleanse. How does it sound? I think I love it. I don't know which one I like, honestly. They are all nice. Come and taste this and tell me which one you like.
Next one.
Which one do you like? This or this?
This.
This is a bit calm and more sweet. It tastes like stony soda.
But somehow sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's really a good taste.